Yeah, that gig Karen was talking about was, we did a concert here. We had a great old night. We had the whole band here, and we had a trapeze artist, and we had plants and all sorts of things.
Making it up. It was a dream.
It was true. And now it's just the three of us again. But it's funny because somebody asked us earlier on, how long has this band been together? And I thought, actually, it's actually 20 years. But, some bands say they're celebrating 20 years together, but we're actually commiserating 20 years together. Because there's actually no getting away from it.
All coming out now.
But anyway, so we did a concert. It was the music of the Boswell sisters. If you haven't heard of them, check them out. Absolutely amazing. 3 sisters from New Orleans. And we learned loads of their music, and we had a whale of a time. So we're going to sing one of their songs for you now. Well, it's not their song. The song was written by a man called W.C. Handy. Handy name. This is their version of it. It's called the St. Louis Blues.
I hate to see that evening sun go down. I hate to see the sun go down. I hate to see that evening sun go down. 'Cause my baby done left this town. Feeling tomorrow just like I feel today. Feeling tomorrow like I feel today. Feeling tomorrow just like I feel today. I'm gonna pack my trunk. I'm gonna pack my trunk and make my getaway. St. Louis woman with all her diamond rings. She pulled that man around right by her apron strings. And if it wasn't for her powder and for her store-bought hair, that man I love would not have gone nowhere. Got the St. Louis blues, just as blue as I can be. Oh, bad. And that man got a heart like a rock cast to the sea. Oh, bad. Or else he wouldn't have gone so far from me. Oh, blonde that woman make a good man leave this town. Oh, bad. I said a blonde that woman make a good man leave this town. Oh, bad. But a red-headed woman makes a boy slap his papa down. Pum pum, pum pum, pum pum, pum pum. Oh, St. Louis blues. I got those St. Louis blues. I got those St. Louis blues. I got those St. Louis blues. My little la 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 little la.